Joshua Stan Vaz. I am the AFC elite instructor for this course. It's a 6-day course that is organized by Youth Futsal Academy in the association with GFA. It is the AFC Futsal Level 1 coaching certificate course. It's a 6-day course where the coaches will be taught about the technique and tactics of futsal. The in-depth knowledge will be given to them, and the coaches will have this certification to coach at grassroots level. If they pass the course, then they can move on to coach to attend the level 2, and then there is also the level 3 course in AFC. I believe that futsal is one of the fastest growing sports not only in the world but also in India. As you've seen, AFF is taking a lot of interest to organize leagues not only for men but also this year there will be a league for women in the National Club Championship to be held in June this year. So a lot of these coaches will have opportunity to coach in these senior teams for men and women, and in the future also for age group level tournaments will be held by AIFF. I encourage these coaches to work hard, gain knowledge, share knowledge, work together. That is the most important thing, that we all need to work together to develop good futsal players. And if we develop good futsal players, we will catch up and make better football players. Because this is what Europe is doing, this is what South America is doing, this is what Asia is doing. They are creating very good futsal players at grassroots level, and in turn these futsal players are developing and making better football players. And you see countries like good Asian countries like Iran, Japan, they are doing so well in football. It is because they have a very good structure in futsal. And India also is moving towards this, and I hope that it will happen very soon. So basically in Goa we have we have to have futsal. Futsal surface is a hard and flat surface. The one like we have at Chowgule is the PU surface. It's a hard and flat surface. Or we can use the wooden courts which we have like at Parikar Stadium, the Pede Sports Complex, or the Sham Prasad Stadium in Bambolis. These are the 3 wooden courts that we have here in Goa. Other than that, the futsal turfs are not recommended to play futsal because that is more of a football. So we need to have more futsal courts, that is flat and hard surfaces like PU surfaces or wooden courts here in Goa to promote better and proper futsal in Goa.
आज I'm getting a AFC Futsal course, level 1 futsal course começada. And the instructors so I'm going to Bob Joshua. And of course AFC so right there. AFC coaches are India, Mizoram, Karnataka, Kerala. I'm going to have and now out there, Zai Singtolemon Joshua Gujan, and just Joshua India coach चल देशकून यही एक दूसरे सोचले.
आणि हे कोर्स फुटसाल आता व्हेरी फास्ट आता इम्प्रूव जाता गोंयांत तशें भायल्यान आता न्यू कोचीस जे जाता तांकां एक बरोसो एक फॉर AFC विथ AFF in association Goa Football Association हो कोर्स कंडक्ट जो आयज होता ते भशेन हांव तांकां बेस्ट विशीज म्हणटा. आनी फ्युचराक ताणें एक बरो फुटसाल एक जो आसा सारको तो कोणाच्यानूय हाडूंक जाता, बट ताका जाय टॅक्निक्स आनी बरी टॅलंट जे तुवें स्पॉट करूंक मेळटा ते. सो आमी ते बरें करून हें करतले.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.